Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, should I will talk about MSI MPG 321URXW QD-OLED 32-inch 4K gaming monitor. So friend, MSI has introduced a 32-inch gaming monitor designed to meet the demand of high-performance gaming environment, featuring a silver-white chassis and the monitor integrated Quantum Dot OLED panel technology, which enhance color accuracy and contrast level, and the display support a 4K resolution, providing sharp and detailed visual with 240 Hz refresh rate, ensure smooth motion handling, essential for fast-paced gaming scenarios. With a response time of 0.3 milliseconds, and the monitor minimize motion blur and input lag, contributing to more responsive gaming experience. Additionally, the inclusion of HDR 1000 and HDR True Black technology allow for a wider dynamic range and deeper black, enhancing overall image quality. And the monitor is equipped with advanced features aiming at improving user experience and prolonging the monitor's lifespan. An MSI OLED 2.0 technology actively manage the display to prevent burn-in and common issue with OLED panel during prolonged use. And the connectivity option including multiple HDMI and DisplayPort input, ensuring compatibility with various gaming console and PC, and the price around $1,099. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.